Put a finger down if you've ever played Roblox on your phone or tablet. Put a finger down only kids who play Roblox Edition. If you put over 5 fingers down, you are in the top 1% of Roblox players. But do you play Roblox so much that you can put your finger down on the last one? Put a finger down if you've ever played Dress to Impress and spent way too long perfecting your outfit. Put a finger down if you've ever spent Robux on something you instantly regretted. Put a finger down if you subscribed and liked the video. Put a finger down if you've ever spent hours watching someone play Roblox on YouTube. Put a finger down if you own a pet in any Roblox game. Put a finger down if you play Roblox with the first person that pops up when you click share and then more. Put a finger down if you've ever redeemed a code for free items or Robux in Roblox. Put a finger down if you've ever tried building your own game with your friend in Roblox Studio.